Okay guys, what are we doing just until now is using the database that we created ourselves, but now we are going to use some real database for our project on K neighbors. What is the real database that we are going to use? Let me just save it. We create a new project, call it KN neighbors. KNN is one of the neural networks models. We don't have worked with it too. Just open a folder. We go by our Jupyter to there, K neighbors and new Python 3. In this project, we are going to use something called Iris. Let's see what Iris means. If you go to any machine learning or neural network course, you're going to use Iris. Why? Let me import the Iris. See, does it import or not? Load Iris is not defined. Sorry, we forgot this. Let me just show you what Iris is. Okay, let's see Iris dot head. If it has, it don't has. Why? Because it's NumPy, not Pandas. Iris. Let's search it. If I find any picture, Iris database. Iris is a flower that from the Let me just close this. This is too annoying. Let me just open this. Iris is a flower that from the size of this petals and sepals we can understand. We can understand what the name of the flower is. For you, let's see, for example, why is the Iris title? It has 3 kind of flowers. I think it was have 4, but in our dataset it has 3. There are 3 kind of flowers that going to find Iris setosa, Iris versicolor, Iris virginica. We are going to divide them by the size of petals and sepals, I think are. Okay, let's see what Iris data can give us. What Iris has in common. Iris data, Iris feature names. Let's see what Iris feature names is. Sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. As I say, let's write Iris dot, see what we can get. Target names. The names are Setutsa, Verticolor, Virginica. We are going to predict what kind of flower is from this by K neighbors. This is the project we were going to. You can start the project and do it by yourself and then watch this video. I prefer to learn like that. But if you don't want and it is the first one and it's hard for you and you are some kind of learning with videos, you can wait until tomorrow that I start this project. Have a good day.